Hello guys, good evening. This is my dinner, avocado. Diet muna tayo ngayon guys kasi kain tayo ng avocado. Yummy. Wala nang asukal-asukal to guys. Ito na yung dinner ng kunyang. Avocado is life. Maraming benefits to guys ang avocado. Healthy. Kaya mag-avocado na rin kayo. Thank you for watching. Ang laki ng buto. Ito yung tunay na green variety. Avocado is life. Hindi na kailangan ng asukal. Kaya let's eat. Thank you for watching Junjun Channel Vlog. Please don't forget like and share and subscribe. God bless.